A viewer commented he wanted to know how to get more attention without seeming outrageous. Okay, why would you want to be outrageous? Anyway, that's going to give you the wrong attention. But I understand what you're saying. You want to get attention because you don't want to blend into the woodwork. I mean, you're with a group of friends and you're just sitting there and you're not contributing and people just don't even really know that you're there. So it's not like you want to call attention to yourself and be the drama king or queen. No, but you want to participate. You want people to listen to you. You want to make points and you want to basically contribute to the conversation. Okay. Don't be afraid to be opinionated. I see this so much. People are like, and they're just yes people. And they think that by agreeing with everything anybody says, they're going to have lots of friends and people want to be around them. No, because you're boring. You really are. People don't, yes, some people, they want you to agree with them. Yes, yes, yes. But those aren't really the people you want to hang around with anyway. You want to be lively. You want people to know that when they come to you, when they ask you something, you're not just going to agree, that they know when they come to you that you will tell them what you really think. And they know that. So they know you're always going to be honest. You're going to say it like it is. So that's what I would show your opinion. I would not be afraid to give your opinion, to show your personality. But if you see a look of horror on people's faces, or you've hurt people's feelings, then no, don't go there. But why not say, hey, I'm not sure that I agree with you, and here's why. And then when they say, but what do you think of, then really listen. So you can always agree to disagree, but always listen. That's the difference between someone who's just boastful and opinionated and doesn't care about what anybody else thinks and it's their way or the highway, or the people that express their opinions, but then they listen to what somebody else says and they hear it and they may not agree, but they're like, yeah, that's a point. I hadn't really thought of it that way. So it's not like you have to be right, but you're opening up a discussion. And that's always interesting rather than saying, okay, yeah, sure, yeah, No, that's dull. That won't lead to any further conversation. Nobody will come to you and ask for your opinion because they know you're just going to agree. So my point is, be opinionated. Don't hurt people's feelings. Don't try to alienate people. Always listen to somebody. Take in what they say. Maybe add something, but then that's it. You agree to disagree. And you want to stop before people get riled up and look at you like, okay. No. That's when you quickly change the subject, but you get the idea. Liven the conversation up. And don't be afraid to show your personality because that's what makes you tick. That's what makes people gravitate towards you, not the yes people.